The history of Savannah is the lifeblood of the city.
To see some diversity in architecture and planning, I think what I did not expect was to see really the extent of that diversity. A lot of live oaks with Spanish moss, and there's just something about those trees. It's just a beautiful place that really differentiates Savannah from really any other town we've been to.
I have world travelers. This is a world destination, and they've been all over, and it does affect them to come back and send their friends.
Preservation funding is essential to allow Savannah to stay uniquely Savannah and foster a sense of community pride. Preservation funding creates jobs and allows us to have a lower tax base to have locals be able to live and revitalize our downtown.
Visitors to Savannah are incredibly important in helping us in museums like the Davenport to provide services to our local residents here. We wouldn't be able to do the level of programming that we have today for our local residents if we didn't have the support of the visitor economy.
Tourism's so huge in Savannah. Our little company was started in 2013 at a booth at Enriches restaurant, and today we have 3 full-time employees, 3 part-time employees, and this is huge. This is the kind of thing that helps everyone here.